What's up, family? My YouTube fam. It's 22 guy. No 22 scores today. Once again, Walmart did not have any 22. I don't understand what the fuck. So we had to pick up these 6 boxes of Perfecto they had on the shelves. Fuck them. Then we grabbed these 2 boxes on the shelves. Does anybody know what that is? Alright. 300 double AC blackout. And then the 200 count of the 40 Smith & Wesson. But that's my scores for today. 6, 3, 16, 22, 39. Ammo, blah, blah, blah. I had to buy a few other things, you know. And I'm out.